Insta Costume Makeup Kit by Fashion Angels. It's super fun and easy, so let's get started. I'm about to try the unicorn, so let's get it unboxed and let's do this thing. Okay, so I have it open right now, so let's just get started. So I have the instructions. I think I'm going to start with the jewels on your eyes first, because I think I'm going to go in like a different order. So I'm going to do it in like rainbow order. Start under my eyes like it says. And I'm going to put the yellow on. Okay. Purple on. Now I'm going to do the other eye. So I have all the jewels under my eyes. I'm going to start the hair chalk now. So I'm going to start up here. That. Now that I did that, I'm going to do the purple. And now get more of the purple. There it is. The unicorn's starting to happen. And now I'm gonna do the pink. Some more blue down here. Oh my gosh, I actually did really good. Okay, now onto the purple. Now I'm onto the pink. The pink looks like the purple, but you need to make the pink very vibrant to make it outstand the purple. Done. Oh my gosh, Mom, this looks like unicorn mane. This looks good. Okay. And now I'm done with my unicorn mane. This was so much fun, but there's still more finishing touches. I gotta add the headband. Yeah. Okay. And I got the headband on, so I have my horn. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lipstick on, so I have the final touches. Here is my final look. I'm a unicorn with the hair chalk and the glitter stickers, and it has the pink and the yellow and the green and blue and my pink lips and my horn. Thank you so much, Fashion Angels, for this Unicorn Insta Costume Makeup Kit.